Women judge your value not on the basis of your looks, money, or social status. They judge your value on how much time you have spent on meditating. The phrase to meditate means to become familiar with. If you have spent some time meditating or contemplating the version of yourself who is super attractive and who is worthy of girls, then you have become familiar with that version. Slowly, you're going to embody that version. Slowly, that version is going to get impressed into your subconscious mind. And when that version, when that mental imagery is impressed into your subconscious mind, it gets externalized into your external reality. Because your subconscious mind is so intelligent that whatever mental imagery you impress upon it, it will get externalized into your outside reality. Your outside reality, even though you might think that it is very real, very solid, it is a lie, it is an illusion, because your subconscious mind has projected everything in your external reality. Right now, if you're facing a lot of tragic circumstances, rejection, a lot of heartbreaking moments, then you have impressed bad, negative mental imagery in your subconscious mind. Now, it's time to change that mental imagery in your subconscious mind. When you do that, girls are just going to come towards you. You do not have to approach them. You do not have to use openers and necks and DHV stories. You do not have to learn all these pickup closing sequences. Everything is just going to flow out of you naturally. You'll just find the right words to utter. You'll just start to exhibit the right body language. You'll just do everything naturally and effortlessly. If you simply embrace a mental imagery where you're super powerful as a person, where girls are coming up to you, they're complimenting you, they're saying, "Oh my God, you're so peaceful, you're so powerful. I am so lucky to be with you." Your friends and family members are complimenting you. You're so peaceful all of a sudden. What has changed? What's your secret? When you provide all this sensory vividness to your imaginal act, then that mental imagery gets right into your subconscious mind. But you have to get into a very receptive attitude of mind in order for your mental imagery to work. This is why I say that you need to do Yoga Nidra first. Before you imagine all these wonderful things happening to you, you must do Yoga Nidra. Dr. Andrew Huberman calls Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. When you do that, your brain starts to produce these slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves, which puts you at a state of receptivity. Then it's the time to imagine that you're super powerful, that girls just love you. You're just smelling their perfume, you're kissing them, and you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act. Then you hold your attention on this imaginal act and mentally rehearse them over and over again. What that does is mental imagery are going to get impressed into your subconscious mind along with positive feelings. When you start to feel these elevated emotions of joy, gratitude, empowerment, that all these wonderful things are happening to you, that you're now finally a very attractive man, then you become a magnet for all the wonderful experiences. Right now, an experience in your external reality is able to produce emotions in your body. But if you can feel emotions in your body ahead of the actual experience, then you become a magnet for that wonderful experience. This is a very interesting thing to experiment with. Do not actually believe me. Try it and actually change your life. Please do this exercise every night before you go to sleep for at least 30 days. And you do not have to rely on outer game tactics ever again. This simple act of visualization, holding your attention on the visualization until you start to feel the emotions, will literally change your dating life. So, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success and I will help you build a true spiritual confidence, where you no longer suffer from approach anxiety and all this panic, and help you build a true, solid inner confidence, inner game, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.